Assalamualaikum guys, I am Adnan Akram in front of you, student of Public Administration at the University of Qaid-e-Azam, Islamabad. I belong to Turbat, as a beautiful city of Balochistan. Today I am here to tell you about the Ramadan, holy month of Ramadan, how the people celebrate the Ramadan in our society, in our province, in our city. After Ramadan, we celebrate Eid al-Fitr. Here people wake up at 2:13 and start to make their series. The dishes do different from house to house, but mostly here rice is like more than other dishes. People are mostly a plain rice with chicken or dal. Undoubtedly, the combination is perfect. Guys, as you can see, the preparation of sari is going on, and we all are waiting to eat it. After having sari, we wait for azan, and when it is given, we head to our nearby masjid and pray namaz there. After that, we return back home and go for beds again. In Ramzan, markets and bazaar open late, and we being free from work do not bother to work early. About afternoon, we wake up and get fresh. The soon namaz time for Zohr. We usually go to the nearby masjid, pray namaz, and return home back. Here, weather is very hot. Summer is not friendly in Turbat. The centigrade reaches up to 50 centigrades, and the secondary electricity crisis is another factor for boosting summer growth. Now I am going to ask the people how they are tolerance their past and the hot weather of Turbat. Come on, let's come to ask them. Assalamu alaikum.
वालेकुम सलाम.
Do you know English?
नो.
अच्छा, आपका नाम क्या भाईजान?
जाफ़र खालिद.
जाफ़र खालिद आप कहाँ से आ रहे हैं?
मैं जना ज़ोर की नमाज से आ रहा हूँ.
जोर का नमाज पढ़ के आ रहे हैं. तो कैसा मौसम है तुर्बत का?
मौसम तो बहुत गर्मी है, अभी तो रोज़ा भी है.
अच्छा, फिर इस रमज़ान शरीफ के महीने में आप कैसे मतलब रोज़ा रख रहे हैं? इतने गर्मी में, तुर्बत की गर्मी आपको पता है कि मतलब इतना 50 सेंटीग्रेड तक आ जाता है, तो आप लोग कैसे रोज़ा रखते हैं?
हम लोग मजबूर हैं, तो क्या कर रोज़ा तो रखना चाहिए.
अच्छा, मतलब आप रोज़ा अपना मसला कितने रोज़े रखे हैं आपने?
मैंने अभी तो रखे हैं, टोटल रखे हैं मेरे ख्याल से एक. कल तो मेरे ख्याल से ईद होगा, नहीं होगा. आज तो आखिरी.
अच्छा, मतलब आज लास्ट डे ऑफ रमज़ान है, आज आखिरी दिन है रमज़ान का, तो क्या है मतलब आप क्या क्या कहते हैं कि कल ईद होगा या नहीं होगा?
शायद होगा, नहीं होगा, ये तो पता नहीं होगा.
अच्छा, आप इस चीज़ से मतलब खुश हैं कि कल ईद हो या कि नहीं हो?
मैं बोला ईद हो जाए कल.
अच्छा, आप
गर्मी की वजह से ना, इसी वजह से ईद हो जाए.
अच्छा, आप मतलब आप ये कहना चाहते हैं कि कल ईद होना बिल्कुल जायज़ है, ज़रूरी है कि ईद हो जाए?
बिल्कुल बहुत हो जाए, जल्दी ईद हो जाए हम लोग रोज़े से.
Ever another friend in our society to come and ask him how is going to there is Ramzan. Assalamu alaikum.
Waalaikum.
What is your name?
My name is Qasim Lal.
Acha, Qasim Lal, tell me how was your fast?
Alhamdulillah, it's good. In this hot weather, we are experiencing many crises, like we don't have any electricity. Secondly, the centigrade has reached above 50s. But Ramzan being the holy month of Allah the Almighty, we are tolerating it for a bright future in Ramadan, for a bright future in Jinnah.
Oh, what's your idea about tomorrow? Will be Eid or not?
In Gulf countries, they have announced that the Eid will be on tomorrow, but in Pakistan the decision is not made yet. So let's see. But there is no chances that it will be Eid tomorrow. But who knows? It's Pakistan. Everything can happen.
Yeah, it will be. Thank you. People here have created their own electricity by setting up solar panels and storing the energy. This system is a type of UPS, United Power Supply, which runs the house appliance. No doubt, the Ramzan is the holy month which brings peace, gratifications, and happiness. And to share happiness, to joy, people here do invite their relatives, friends, and neighbors for iftar. So, in the same manners, we have to arrange a iftar party for our society, for our some family friends, for our some special family member. We decide to invite them in iftar party. Friends, as you can see, there's a variety of dishes made and are served. There's a fish biryani, mutton, white curry, achar kadai, sweet fruits, chaat chola, fruit chaat, and many more delicious items are served. Friends, guests are coming slowly. All the guests arrive and now waiting for Maghrib Azan. As you can see, guests start opening their fast. Hopefully, the iftar party remained great because such gathering brings people together and with them the happiness. Well, today is the last day of Ramadan, but who knows that is going to be the last day. Will not I along with the entry? Pakistan did not know. Everybody was in the view that the Eid al-Fitr will be held on 14 April because people Arab only completed 29 days of fasting and is per is sari of the days 1 days remain. But this is Pakistan. Here everything is possible. The call for Eid was pleasant, but when you are not ready yet and your all preparations are incompleted, hoping to do them next day, and next day suddenly become the Eid. that is why it is said, never leave the work for today for tomorrow. I was not ready for Eid like my Eid suit were in Karachi. Someone was bringing them with him from Karachi, and secondly, I didn't have haircut and no beard style. Well, we had their calls from Masjid for Eid. Finally, the last call came with confirmation. It was around 11:13 Eid namaz. Who sees the moon at 11:13 p.m. by the way? Well, how I managed myself and made my preparation for Eid a big story. The next morning means on Eid morning. We woke up early and dressed, and we all the family went to pray Eid namaz near the masjid. After that, we returned home back and we wished Eid Mubarak to family members, mother, father, youngers, brother, and the other all the family member. On Eid ul Fitr, in breakfast, people here mostly have savory sweets, and as per continues we to add this breakfast, staying home and using mobile and sending Eid wishes to family members and friends. At next action, for a while after then we move to our nearby relative cousins is their houses to our boundary wall. Going to cousins one by one and wishing them Eid is actually another gladness. On Eid time, plies its evening and we are ready to leave for our hometown Buleda. Buleda is a mountainous valley which is located southern region of Turbat, which shares border with Iran too. People out there do survey on diesel business, but nowadays this income survey is too distributed. Secondly, Buleda produced a large amount of dates. Wheat is also major production, but dates top the list. Not just single variety, but varieties at large. About 86 varieties are produced. A major quantity is exported to Iran and also to India. Wherever you see, what you see is only palm trees. To reach Buleda, I have to travel 75 kilometers via Noke Road from Turbat. There are three main roads which take you to Buleda, namely Garo, Kesak, Noken. Turbat to Buleda road is very dangerous road, which is very huge right and uphill. Many times the concerned government tried to construct this road, but nobody could make this done. Finally, now the road is much better and work is on progress. Almost the road is clear and beautiful. Guys, now you can see this is to Turbat to Buleda road. It is so beautiful and interesting views to watch it. The journey of Eid is started from here. Guys, finally after traveling a 1.5 hour, we reached at Buleda. Guys, you can see easily in Buleda there's a lot of palm tree and the side of roads you can see there's a totally palm trees because the palm is the main production of Buleda, which can produce a lot of dates and they export it to India, Iran and another Gulf countries. The night was spent with playing cards, Baluchi Diwan. Baluchi Diwan is a type of journal discussion where we go together, discuss all the day, all the night. So, guys, on the second day of Eid, I was completed busy with my family, so I cannot capture the moment of on the camera. Well, then comes the third day of Eid. Mostly here people to greater the joy and entertainment go to a picnic and outing. So we also family member planned a picnic, but the family member accompanied us. So the final decision to have the picnic at our farmhouse. Guys, so we reached at the point. The farmhouse is mainly composed of palm trees, a living house, domestic animals, and other productions. Guys, here you see goat is being cut and so on lunch arrangement are getting done. Kids, elders, everyone is enjoying. Finally lunchtime comes. We had made 4 dishes: white kadai, sajji, roast and plain rice. This sajji is our traditional food which we have on every occasion, especially on picnics and festivals, and we enjoy a lot. And guys, you can see this is Yalan. He is a shepherd and he is catching the milk from goat to make a tea. Guys, here's a very interesting thing. This is Yalan. He is a shepherd and and he is hundred of goats. He totally take care of them. It's very interesting to see him. So guys, in the end of my vlog, I show you the very important and interesting thing is that Baluchi pizza, which is made up of two things, two items. It's a combination of two items, wheat plus fishes. The fishes are catched from the river and it is a traditional food of Baloch culture. It is the part of our culture. So guys, thank you for watching my vlog. Please like my videos, subscribe my YouTube channel and share it. Thank you.